guys. Today I'm going to make a snowflake, and it's really simple. All you need is a piece of paper, some scissors, and a Sharpie or a pencil. Now, the first thing you do is you fold like this. Actually, I'll start from here, because it's better at being able to fold. Just like that. Now, you see this part right here? I'm going to cut that right on off because I don't need this part. There we go. Now, since it's like this, I'm just going to fold it in half like this. So then at the end of that fold, it should look like this. Now, I'm going to flip this over like that. I'm going to do this right side, and I'm going to fold it in like this. Now, with this side, I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to fold it to the other side. Wait, whoops, that's wrong. Alright, so I'm going to grab the middle here. I'm going to fold the right side like this. Need to fold this properly. Oh, whoops, I did something wrong. So it looks like this, and then this. Oh, yeah, I think, so then you fold up one more time like this, and then you do those folds and stuff. Put that there, then this right here. Now it works. Actually, you don't need that next fold. You can, so you do is you fold, so you start with the right side. You fold it back like this. So it's kind of confusing, this part. So I make it look like that. Then on the side, I'm gonna fold it like this. So it looks like that. Now I got it. Now I'm just gonna cut off that weird part there. And now I have this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my pencil or my Sharpie. And on one of the sides, I'm gonna draw a wiggly line. 2 wiggly lines. Just a whole bunch of designs. So I just did some wiggly lines. And now I'm gonna cut one of my wiggly lines. Then you only need to do one. And now I'm gonna unfold it. So let's see what it looks like now. Here's what it looks like with half. And now I'm gonna unfold it completely. And that's my snowflake. Now I'll flip it over. There's that thing there, and that's alright. So what I'm gonna do then, if I don't want it there, or it looks a bit weird to me, I can just do more squiggly lines right here. So then it kind of looks like I wanted it on everything. More squiggly, squiggly, squiggly lines. There. And here are my squiggly lines right there. So that's how you make a snowflake. A snowflake. A snowflake. Perfect. Now I'm gonna real quick pick another one just to show you again, just in case you didn't understand. But first I need to get some paper. Ooh. Now I left some paper. I'm just gonna go here. Where's my notebook? I guess I'll just rip out a page sometimes. So here I have, I think these are 2 pieces of paper stuck together. Yep, so I'll just make 2 here. So the first thing you do again is you fold right here. It's like you're folding like a little triangle. It's like you're folding a triangle, but you're leaving a rectangle at the bottom. So I'm folding a triangle, and then I have this at the bottom. It's supposed to be a rectangle, but it got cut. But that's all right. I don't think it will make too much of a difference. Perfect. Now I'm going to fold it one more time this way, because I kind of messed up on the first one, or showed you the wrong way. Now I'm going to start with the right side. You can start with the left, but I just like starting on the right. And I'm going to do that. And now on the left side, I'm going to do the same thing. So I want to start everything in the middle, because I don't want to do it off the middle. Making sure it's the middle, like that. And then the left side. Just like that. Now I'm just going to cut it on off, and pick, so on the back it's like this, so I want to pick the side that's all smooth. And I'm just going to draw, oh wait, this side here looks a bit funny. Actually, I don't think that will do much to me. Oh no, I messed it up. I'm kind of just folding the crease. I think that's alright. I mean, maybe I could just cut that part off. And now I'm just going to grab this. I can draw, this time I think I'm going to draw a big old bump right there. See what happens if I cut out this big old bump. Now with this, I'm not, so this part here, of course, is not, this part is not going to work because, yeah, it's broken on this part. So on this part, though, there should be a beautiful snowflake. So here's half of it. I'm just going to come up here to the top, and 3, 2, 1. That does not look too bad, actually. And I kind of want to show you, but be like, that's what it looks like, a flower. So that's a really pretty one, I think. So here's the last one for today that I just want to make a few for this video, not just one, because that's kind of boring. But for this one, I'm gonna try a new way of making it. Let's see if this works. So I didn't got taught this, but you know how you have to fold it here? I'm gonna see if I'm just gonna make it without doing the next fold. So I'm just gonna do this part without doing the next fold and see just what happens. Wonder what's gonna happen. So I'm just gonna cut off that top part. I mean, it looks the same, so I'm just wondering, make a little wiggly line, cut it on off. So grab my scissors again, cut, 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 cut. Now let's see which side would work. Does this side work? I have a feeling this one does not. Yeah, that one doesn't. But this side, maybe. Oh no, you have to do that other fold. Oh, it's a different way. Well, that's all right. Well, here I have some 2 pretty snowflakes. Here, 2 beautiful snowflakes. I can make different ones. Just make a design, and then it'll look lovely. And no 2 snowflakes should look the same. If you want to make one like your friends, don't. It's not going to look the same, ever. Because no 2 snowflakes are like Like this one looks like a flower and this one doesn't. Looks like something else. Kind of looks like an angel kind of to me. So yeah, well, I hope you learned how to make a snowflake and like this video. So don't forget to give a big thumbs up, click the notification down below, and bye!